Hey, how are you guys doing? Here are some beginner's guide for your pro path to web development internships. Learn basics. Master HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Build portfolio. Create a website showing your projects. Online learning. Use sites like Codecademy and FreeCodeCamp. Contribute. Help on open source projects, GitHub. Network. Attend web dev events and join online communities. Resume. Customize it for web dev, highlight projects. Apply smartly. Apply to suitable internships, even if you're a beginner. Cover letter. Write one explaining your interest. Soft skills. Show teamwork and problem solving in interviews. Practice interviews. Be ready to talk about your projects. Internship platforms. Use sites like Internshala and Indeed. Thank you for watching. Connect with us if you find this helpful.